Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to format a large flash drive as FAT32 in Windows. So many people still need this for things such as game consoles or to use in your car. But if you try and do this within Windows, I'll show you what happens here. We'll right-click Format. So this is a 128 gig drive. And you can see we only have NTFS and exFAT. There's no FAT32 option. And that's because Windows will not let you format a flash drive larger than 32 gigabytes as FAT32. So we're going to show you how to get around this. So there are a few tools out there you could use, but we're going to show you one easy to use one, and you might like this for some of the other features. So this is a common tool that people use for other things. It's called EaseUS Partition Master. They do have a free version, but it's kind of limited. And a lot of people don't like it because of that, because they kind of trick you into thinking you could use all the features such as the disk clone, and you try and do it, and then right when you get to the point where it's going to do it, it makes you buy it. So it would be nice if they would just be a little more honest with what's free and what's not. But you can use it for many other things, and you can use it to format your flash drives FAT32. All right, so after you install it and run it, you just need to go to Partition Manager here. It'll show your disk here. So here's the Windows drive, a blank disk, and the flash drive. So obviously make sure there's nothing on it you need to keep because it's going to be formatted, obviously. So all you need to do is right-click it, choose Format. You could change the label if you want something different. So we're going to change the file system here to FAT32. All right, then you could change the cluster size too if you want. I'm going to change this to 64. So depending on the size of your flash drive, that will determine the cluster size. It's not super critical, but you may want to look that up before you format your drive just to get the best results here. And we're going to do a quick format since we're not worried about checking for bad sectors or anything. So click OK. So it tells you everything's going to be deleted. Click on Yes. And then before it'll do it, you need to click on Execute Task down here at the bottom, and then Apply. All right, so the process is done. We'll click on Done. All right, so now let's go into File Explorer here. Right-click on the drive, go to Properties. You can see we have FAT32 right there. So pretty simple. So like I said, depending on if you think you'll use this tool for other things, you could download it and install it. Otherwise, there are some other tools that are a little more focused just on doing this without all the extra stuff if you don't need any of this. So I'll put some links in the description. You could check those out as well. And then I'll also put a link in the description where you can download Partition Master if you do want to use this method. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.